Linus Tech Tips coverage of CES 2015 is brought to you by Phantom Glass. Visit store.phantom.glass for the best darn screen protectors out there, as well as HyperX.
Alright guys, welcome to the DJI booth, where we're checking out the DJI Inspire 1. This device is a 3-axis gimbal mounted to a drone that can travel at 60 miles an hour and up to the legal height of 400 feet. We'll get back to the flying part of the drone in a minute, but for now, the camera on this unit is its own unique beast. With 12 megapixels, it can record 4K video at 24 to 30 FPS and 1080p video at 24 to 60 FPS. It has a 0.5-inch CMOS sensor and a 94-degree wide angle lens with a fixed f-stop of 2.8, all sitting on a 3-axis 360-degree rotating gimbal, which should produce some amazing results. I've been told that the gimbal can even hold the camera steady for long enough to take solid long exposure photos. It also is possible to swap out the camera, but please note there are no currently other available cameras that are compatible with this device. The drone's carbon fiber arms and deployable landing gear are able to move out of the way from the camera easily while in the air to ensure beautiful, unobstructed shots. The drone will keep itself in place through the use of GPS and a visual positioning system mounted on the bottom of the unit. Being a lightweight drone, it has a maximum flight time of 18 minutes. It also has a very impressive communication range of 2 kilometers, thanks to DJI's proprietary LightBridge 2.4 GHz communication technology. The app is pretty awesome as well, allowing for dual operator control, allowing for one person to control the drone and the other to control the camera. The app also features auto takeoff and auto land with a dynamic home point for return home functionality based on the location of the controller. It also displays live map, radar, and telemetry data, amongst other details to keep you informed. Keep in mind this is a very expensive unit, coming in at $2,890. DJI doesn't even recommend it for amateur drone operators, but an experienced operator could achieve beautiful aerials for much less than many other drones on the market. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to see all the rest of our CES content, be sure to stay subscribed to Linus Tech Tips. Thank you to Phantom Glass for sending us here this year, and we should be making a pretty cool video from them fairly soon. I know you've been hearing me say that literally all week, but it is coming. Don't worry about it. And also thank you to Phantom Glass for protecting our phones while we're here. Thank you to HyperX as well. Go to youtube.com/HyperX to check out their channel. If they get 100,000 subscribers before January 11th, they'll be doing a pretty cool giveaway. I think they're about 8,000 subscribers away right now. So jump over there, subscribe, and hopefully you win something. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.